Welcome everyone. My name is Priyanka and today's lesson is The Triumph of Surgery, written by James Alfred White. In this lesson, in this story, we'll see how over concern of parents or the pet owners can lead to disasters. First of all, introduction of the story. James was a British veterinary surgeon and writer who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners, what kind of cases he received, and what kind of people he met during his career. The story is about Tricky. Tricky was a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and is unable to refuse him anything he wants. Tricky is fond of eating cream cakes and chocolates. So, one day when Mrs. Pumphrey is out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator sees them and stops to talk. While talking to Mrs. Pumphrey, he realizes that she has been overfeeding Tricky and also has been giving him things that he shouldn't eat, due to which Tricky had started looking like a bloated sausage. Soon, Tricky got unwell, and Mrs. Pumphrey has to call Mr. Harriet, the narrator himself, for help. She does not want to send him away, but the only way suggested by Mr. Harriet is to get him hospitalized for 15 days. The dog was to be hospitalized for 15 days. When the story unfolds into how he gets well. Now, the story starts when Mrs. Pumphrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each side. He advises her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon, the dog falls sick and the doctor is called for help. The narrator then somehow takes Tricky the dog to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog, and nearly the lady fainted just by hearing these words that the dog is about to be admitted to hospital for 15 days. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in the surgery. The dog doesn't move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a little. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs who were there as patients in the surgery. He was taken out. He also licked the balls of other dogs clean on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meal with other dogs. Actually, this was a way of exercising the dog, also giving less food and giving him opportunity to exercise by fighting for food. Then, when this news reached Mrs. Pumphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed more energy. Mr. Harriet and his partners started eating those eggs which were sent for the dog to eat. And they started eating those eggs as morning breakfast. Then, for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending bottles of wine, which again was used by Mr. Harriet, the narrator, the doctor himself. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch and some more glasses while having his lunch. Then, when she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent patient in his surgery. Mr. Harriet used to be literally happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, because he ate all the eggs, all the food which was sent for the dog. He ate himself with his partners and he gave the dog the real food which he needed. The food which was given to other dogs of the hospital, the same food was given to Tricky, and the food which was sent by Mrs. Pumphrey to Tricky, that food was consumed by the doctor and his partners. Then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey as she was really worried about her dog. And this side, Tricky was also ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pumphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful as Tricky was now